Hey everyone, I'm Wes Sego, and this is MDF2, term 1402, Project 1. What did you do for this project? Well, this week was the Twitter client, so I'll go through that and go ahead and start it up on the simulator, and move that over here where you can see. Short overview of my code. Well, I really just followed the videos. I used the storyboard for the it's a storyboard application, but when I created my cell view, my custom view, and my custom classes, I just used XIBs. I don't want to say that I dislike storyboards. I'm just a lot more familiar with Interface Builder since that's what I've used the most. So I guess I'm going to need to start playing with storyboards a little bit more, but it was okay. It worked out well. So I'll go through my application with you. Basically, it is a 3 buttons up here on the top, and of course the table view here. It shows my last however many posts. If you can actually see this well enough on the screen, you can certainly see that I'm not much of a Twitter user. My last tweet here is from 2012, July 4th of 2012. So not a whole lot of Twitter activity for me. But my 3 buttons on the top, I've got my post button that brings up the Twitter post. Of course, the default text is there, posted from, and we'll cancel that. In my refresh view, it does bring up the alert there that cancels itself. You don't have to have any interaction from the user. And then I have the user button that leads to the user details view. And in the user details view, I have my name, description. See, I have 9 followers and 16 friends. Again, I'm just not much on Twitter for my social networking, but done button brings us back to the original storyboard or the original view. And of course, here is my table with the tweets. If you select them, it will bring up the tweet details view, which gives you the description of the tweet, my name, and the date. And of course, you can go through those and see all of the different tweets that I had from a couple of years ago. Anyway, what could I have done better? Well, from a coding point of view, this date, having the time in there, the offset time, I would probably reformat that. I wouldn't actually release an application with it that way. I would just have the day, the date, and the time in regular time, not the universal time there. And of course the same thing here on the main view. And then, of course, I didn't do any work on graphics and design on this. I just basically used the default everything, except I did change the size of the custom cell, of course, to hold all of the information and the text. But other than that, everything is pretty much default. So that's it. So I hope everyone had a great week. Thanks for watching.